Good day guys, Mark here again and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you love cars, DIYs, and anything under the sun, please consider subscribing and check out my playlist.
Break down my walls, you know you got me standing so tall. With your love, ain't gonna fall, because you see me right through it all. With your love. Got me standing so tall. With your love, ain't gonna fall, because you see me right through it all. With your love.
And that's it for me today guys. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. At kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe, hit nyo na po yung subscribe button. Again, Mark nga pala ulit. And kung kailangan nyo po ng parts and accessories ng inyong sasakyan, link po sa description section below. Once again, Mark nga pala ulit. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin today and hope to see you guys on our next video.